So hello YouTube. I ordered this foam cannon. This was one of the expensive one, and this Wavex. This is the best foam for car shampoo. I'll be using this for my solar panel cleaning as well. Okay, almost touched on. This is 5 liters. You can see the thickness. It's manufactured in 2025 only. Dilute 10 to 15% to 3 liters of water. But I have brought this for pressure washer. So I will keep the same ratio and I will use this in pressure washer. This is Wavex. I was planning to buy Wavex foam cannon as well, but this is that was very expensive. This is the Vantro foam cannon, and this had all the best reviews out there. Let me unbox it for you. This is the pipe with the filter. Good quality rubber. This is the bottle. Very heavy quality bottle. I am unable to press it. You can see the reading, 1000 ml, 1 liter bottle. Extremely good quality. This one had all positive reviews, that's why I bought this one. I don't think warranty will be there, but let it be. This is manual. If you want to pause, you can pause. This is the main foam cannon. It's a heavy one. Wow, build quality is really good. Vantro branding over here. This is the nozzle to adjust. I don't know why it's not stopping. Okay, on this side it stopped. Now I am rotating anti-clockwise. It should stop somewhere. Now it stopped. It had lots of threads, so you can fine tune it. Okay, so this is how you will adjust the phone. This is a quick connector. I don't know why this is not going ahead. Now it's locked. Now let me bring my gun quickly if it fits perfectly to this or not. This is where you will attach the pipe. Okay, and this will go inside this. It's very heavy, guys. It's very heavy. Let me bring my gun. So this is my Inco gun. You can see the branding. Okay, seems like there is no branding in it. Now I will open this part. This is the main nozzle. And okay, I need to open this one. I hope so this will not fit perfectly. It's made of pure glass, guys. Oh, perfect. I'm very happy now. Only thing is I don't want to remove this again and again. I wanted something. Now see, if I want to install this thing, I will have to again rotate all the threads, remove it, and then I can install this nozzle. I wanted something which will be quick fix, like I'll pull it back and this nozzle will go inside. I want something, that kind of attachment. If you have something in mind and if you know what it is called technically, please let me know. Okay, so this is how you will fit it. Now it's locked. I don't know why it's not locking automatically. It's pretty heavy. So you have the access to rotate it anywhere. It's not like it's fixed in one direction. You can rotate it anyhow, like this. It has that kind of flexibility. Let me see if I can tighten it. No, it's rotating unlimited times. So it's like this only. So it's better to operate this with both hands because the stress is coming. You can see there is little bit flexibility or loose fit over here. I hope it won't leak. So we will now do the quick test how it works. Stay tuned. So I made all the connections. Here is my Winco pressure washer, 1500 watts branded one. Here is the heavy duty gun, and this is a Vortex foam cannon, sorry, Vantro foam cannon. And this is first time I will switch it on. So I mixed the Wavex 100 ml shampoo in 900 ml of water as per the call I got from So I connected the foam cannon for the first time. Look at the quality of it. Extremely thick foam.
टायर्स असंच असतं वॉशिंग सेंटरमध्ये. अरे मला करायचंय.
So it is consuming the liquid at very high rate. I was not expecting to finish this liquid so fast. I will have to refill it to wash multiple vehicles. So I purchased this for cleaning of solar panels, but it's not easy task, guys. I will have to refill it again and again.
बंद करू का?
So for all this, I have emptied 1 liter foam can. I was thinking that 1 liter could be too much, but trust me, 1 liter is not enough. See the quantity consumed. It's almost finished. कर
लाईट का गेली?
पप्पांनी बंद केली का लाईट?
हे लूज झालं वाटतं. नाही होते काय आता.
सो नाउ हमने कपड़ा नहीं मारा है, डायरेक्टली वी आर forcing the high pressure water on it. We have not used this cloth much. I wanted to see if this foam actually removes all the dirt automatically or not. Papa, light lawa na. So foam has dried like this. So we have washed all the vehicles with water, and let me show you how foam comes down. वरतून मार, पुढे जा. This was self-priming because there was gap in water supply. That's why machine took some time. The 8 meter length of hose pipe is not sufficient, guys, at least for me. You can see I kept machine not too far. This is good for domestic usage, but for if you want to use for commercial usage, then you need longer pipe. So this was my video on Vantro foam cannon. Vantro foam cannon, and you can see foam running down. See. So foam is a bit powerful. It stays on the surface even though you apply high pressure water. So I think it's better to wipe it and clean it once for best results. So this was my video on demo of this foam cannon, Vantro foam cannon. I just got a call from the service center of this the sales team of this metro company, and they told me how to use it. And if you register it online, you will get 1 year warranty on it, which is very good. So we have finished all 1 liter foam for 1 car and 3 two-wheelers. I'll recommend to use it wisely so that it will be sufficient for you, so that you won't need to refill it again and again. Okay, so if you rotate this one, it will increase level of water, quantity of water, and reduce quantity of foam. Okay, if you increase this, and if you reduce this, it will increase the quantity of actual foam. It will give you thick foam, and it will reduce the quantity of water. And this is just to spray vertically or horizontally. That means you want to spray it in vertical line, or you want to spray it in the pointed way. We need the pointed way somewhere when we are cleaning the tires and all thing. That was my video on these things. This is recommended, guys. It's very durable and heavy quality. This is recommended. You can see how it shines. Okay, I will clean it, wipe it myself because it will leave the stains otherwise. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, drop your comments below. Stay tuned, live loud.